Hello, Namaste to everyone. This is Professor Venkataramu B.R., Assistant Professor of English, Department of Collegiate and Technical Education, Government of Karnataka, working at Government First Grade College, Gudupande. Friends, I welcome you to this English class. This is for the students of BCom 4th semester of Bengaluru North University. Friends, we have studied a poem titled as Phoenix of Beauty. Phoenix of Beauty is a poem by Dr. Soumitra Chakrabarty. Friends, this is being the buffer session wherein we are going to learn the recapitulation of the previous content that we have studied in the previous sessions. Well, Soumitra Chakrabarty's poem Phoenix of Beauty is an indication of the beauty of nature emerging from ugly. Using the metaphor of the lotus flower, the poet wants to bring home the fact that the beautiful things are not always found in higher places of life or nature. Instead, they can evolve from the lowest places too. The concept can surprise us because we usually look at the highest place for inspiration and beauty and overlook the lowest places. The lotus flower is the most beautiful in the world, comes from the slime. The poem at one level explains the beauty of nature unfolding from the ugliest things, and on the other level reflects a general attitude of people to disregard anything ugly. Dung is ugly. The lotus flower blooms in that slime. Like the phoenix rises from its ashes, the beautiful lotus bud rises from the dung. The poet also implies that time destroys external beauty, but will never touch the internal beauty. The poetess attributes beauty to the female gender. It is to emphasize the fact that the female of the species is the most beautiful in the world in different aspects, just not in the external beauty, but in their behavior and in their kindness, fortitude, patience and love. I am sure you are now thorough with the entire poem. Now let's go into that slip test. Friends, after knowing the poem, it is our duty to evaluate ourselves. As a matter of conducting test, maybe at college level it will be conducted for you people. As a matter of model test paper, I am uploading here the test paper. Friends, for your examination from the point of view of university, there will be questions like objective questions, short essay type questions and long essay type questions. Objective type questions will be asked for 2 marks, wherein you will find one question from this poem for your examination, semester examination. And also you will find a short note question wherein you will find a question for 5 marks, and there may be even possibility of asking you the long essay question where you will find this question for 10 marks to be attempted. Well, I have given here some questions. Please do watch here. All the questions which are chosen from the textbook where you will find the course book itself. From section A, you will find questions which are of 2 marks, 5 marks, or even 10 marks. And then you will find 5 marks question. You please look at this question paper and try to answer all these questions. Do evaluate yourself. And also wait for some more questions where your teacher at the college level gives you and get it evaluated. And do watch for some more videos where I am going to upload on other subjects. Friends, thank you very much for watching this video till the end. Do wait for some more videos so that I am going to upload for various other chapters. Thank you very much.